Good Tuesday morning, everyone. Today is Travel Tuesday. Make sure when you go to Google Earth, you press the I'm feeling lucky button and be ready to share at 8:30. Today you have Spanish. We will meet together for literacy at 9:45 and 10:45 for math. Yesterday I sent out this spelling pretest, so have your pretest ready at 9:45 to grade. I also sent out a student work template for you to see which activities have not been turned in before the break that we had. So that's not including anything that we did Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of last week or this week, but it was what was supposed to have been turned in before. I will be sending this out weekly to you and Seesaw, as well as email this template to your parents so they can see your workload and what is still outstanding, or to say what has not been turned in. I feel I've given an appropriate amount of time, appropriate amount of work to complete each day, but I'm seeing a lot of students need to up their game or stay on top of their work. We will meet at 10:45, I said, for math, and at 11:45 we will meet with our targeted math station groups with your teacher for multiplication. So please look on your calendar for you to join the meeting. Let's make it a great Tuesday, and I will see you guys at 8:30.